received.
Turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle. Turn it off. Turn off the car.
What?
Turn off the car.
What?
Sir, turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle, sir. Turn it off. Turn off the car and roll down the window. Open the door. Get me that other unit. Open the window. Open the door.
What's up?
I got a 646. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Hands. Hands on the wheel. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Hands on the wheel. The car's off. Be advised, the vehicle took off. Thomason, Pennsylvania. 2017, Chrysler 300, color black. Zulu 21, Kilo.
What are you, stupid, bro? Yo. Go. Get it! Close the air! We're behind that vehicle. Cut in front of it. Give me a mic. Just pull this front and trim my weapon. We're trying to get in front of it. No. Clap the coin.
Are you a fucking?
Get it! Shots fired on that vehicle. Shots fired.
999, give me a head. 999. We're going northbound on Bergen. Shots were fired by police. Going northbound on
Shot at him.
on First Precinct. That's in 15th Avenue. It's gonna be New Jersey Tag, 241. Union Hotel. 2 males in the vehicle. That's in the First Precinct right now on Bergen. 17th Avenue.
Keep going, bro. Go around. Relax, bro. Relax. Stay right there. Relax. Go around, bro. Stop worrying about that. No. Get in. Come Relax, bro. Let me go. Get in. Relax. He pointed the gun at me. Bro, he pointed the gun right at me. No, get in! Cut him first, man. You can use the red car. You can use the car. Cut him right on. He's gonna hop out. Relax. Close it. No, man. He's gonna hop out. See the rear. I see the door. Stop. Come on, bro. Cut in front, right. Go. Close the air. We're behind that vehicle. Cut in front of it. Give me a mic. I just pulled in front and drew my weapon on him. We're trying to get in front of him. Stop the car. Get up. Shots fired. Move. Shots fired on that vehicle. Shots fired. I shot at it, bro. Oh, come on. Keep going, bro. Go around.
Relax, bro. Relax.
Wait right there.
Relax.
Go around, bro. Stop worrying about them. Let me go.
No, get in.
Come on.
Relax, bro.
Let me go. Shot.
Relax.
He pointed the gun at me. Bro, he pointed the gun right at me.
Get in.
Cut in front, bro. You can use the wet car. You can use the car. Cut him right on him. He's gonna hop out.
Relax.
No, man. He's gonna hop out. I see the door. Stop. Stop the car. Get down. Get out the car. Don't jump. Put it down. Fuck it, put the guns down! Don't flag it, don't flag it! That's it, that's it! Turn the sirens off! Turn the siren off! Turn the siren off! Don't reach for nothing! I shot him. No. Get him out, get him out, get him out. No. Get the ground! I shot him in the head. Back up. Get the gun up. He's done. LT. Turn the car off. Don't move. Turn the car off. Don't move. Gun there. Huh? Gun there. I shot both of them. Stop. Get him. EMS. We need EMS rolling. EMS, yeah. 2 guys here. Turn the sirens off. Yo, I shot both of them. You all right? You good? You good? You did it? Now walk. You good? Yeah, I'm good, bro. You good? That's right. Shut down. Virgin? Straight to the hospital. Hey, Sarge, I'm going with him. Yeah, straight to the hospital. Sit him down to the EMS. Sit down.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You got water hit? No, he's good.
I'm good. Here you go.
What's up, puppy? You good?
I'm good.
What happened?
I'm good.
Listen to me. Look at me.
No.
You hit?
Yeah, I shot both.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
You straight. Where's your gun, puppy?
All right.
Listen, relax. Breathe.
I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
Do me a favor. Everybody step away from him. No, I got you. I got him. Where did you fire from?
Huh?
Where did you fire from?
I shot both of them here.
Okay, right
and
here.
Then, up there.
Madison.
I gotta check the camera.
Relax.
Just take it back. You did 2 here?
Huh?
You did 2 here? 2 shots here? Go to the hospital.
I can't remember.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, no gana.
It should be under his leg.
If anybody fires a weapon here.
No here, not here.
Delta 91 go. I think you're going to start moving these cars so the bus can get filled. Alright, unit. Alpha Delta 191, you want you guys to stop moving the vehicles so the bus can get through.
Cap, when the same shots fired,
599. 599. You're 599. You're chasing. Did you shoot?
No, I didn't shoot. Who shot?
Who shot?
Crespo shot. Crespo shot. No, they shot. Crespo shot, and they're gone. Who's dead? No, he just pulled off on me.
The best part is no officers are hurt.
Right,
no
yeah.
officers are shot.
Right. Yeah, that's all that matters. Yeah, Crespo's okay, and so is Ortiz.
Fired from here.
Pennsylvania and Thomas is where I pulled him over. No.
Was that a motor vehicle stop or was that a foot chase?
No, motor vehicle stop. I pulled him over.
Okay. Who you with?
By myself.
Delta 91. Delta 91, 503 or 103. If someone please call 885
No hablo español, ¿ok? Nada.
Okay.
Hey, Sarge, where's the original officer? Where's the original 521?
I'm right here.
Alright, I got it.
What happened?
the cars going down Pennsylvania. It was going way too fast. So
you pulled it over as a 521?
Pulled it over as a traffic stop.
Okay.
Just as a traffic stop. Just because he was going too fast.
Okay.
I got behind him on Pennsylvania and Thomas at the red light. I was waiting for the light to turn green. I thought he was going to pull over right on Pennsylvania. He kept going down Thomas right on that little curb on Thomas. Pulled over right in front of the church. I got out, told him to turn off the car. Okay. He keeps telling me why do I need to turn off the car? So I'm like, turn off the car, turn off the car. Finally acts like he turns off the car, rolls up his window on me. So I start knocking on the window. He rolls the window down again. I see him fumbling with to change the gears, so I thought he's gonna drive off. And when I see him fumbling with the gears, the gun's tucked under his leg. So I see the handle. So I go over 646, I got a man with a gun. The Delta unit puts up Moss and his partner. So I tell him he's got a gun, so they're like, Val, get him out. I go to open the door doesn't open, so I go in to open it from the inside, and he takes off.
Okay, you all right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Who picked up on the car first, the 599 unit, or you pursued him first?
No, the Delta unit took off for it first. And then I saw them going all the way up Bergen. I was like far, far, far behind. Okay. Then I heard Bergen and Peshine, Clinton and Peshine. And I saw people start running off of Bergen. So I turned and nothing. And then they said something on Bergen Avenue. They were going on Bergen Avenue. So I kept going. I heard said shots fired by police. And then I see all the units are still following the car, going into the first. Then they turned where the Applebee's was on Springfield, and then we came back around onto ITB and we ended up here.
Okay, all right.
By the time I was here, it was like 5-6 units here.
Where's your car?
503. I was driving 503.
All right, let's see your car.
It was a terrifying police chase through the streets of Newark. Gunfire all along the way, and now a Newark cop indicted in the fatal shooting of a man who was in that car.
Newark Police Officer Jovanny Crespo was trying to stop a car that was speeding away from police. Another officer had seen 2 men and a gun in that car already. All of the madness that followed here in Newark was caught on camera. It was a harrowing and chaotic police chase through Newark, frantic from the first moment. And then a Newark police officer firing his gun at 2 men while running alongside their car. Moments later at a second location, you hear that same officer fire again at the same 2 men, and again. Stop the car. A third time, more gunfire from the same officer. Get out the car. Both men inside that car were hit. One would die from his injuries, and that was clear from the beginning. I shot him in the head. And so a state investigation began.
We must go where the law, the facts, and the evidence take us.
That evidence took them to this Newark police officer, Jovanny Crespo, just 26 years old. He was indicted by a grand jury today on charges of aggravated manslaughter and official misconduct. On that night, he seemed almost boastful.
I shot both of them.
And then later,
you hit me? No, I shot both.
He did, and one of those 2 men died. And the prosecutor says it was a crime.
It is the state's position that this officer's conduct that night was criminal. He showed a reckless disregard for human life by shooting into a moving vehicle.
Stop the car.
A vehicle which had heavily tinted windows.
Tinted windows. Crucial in police shootings is what the officer was trained to do. The prosecutor says you don't fire a gun into a car you can't see into.
Stop the car.
Officer's conduct was not consistent with the training.
Get out the car.
This all happened back in January. The grand jury finished its work today, handing up indictments for aggravated manslaughter, aggravated assault, possession of a deadly weapon for an unlawful purpose, and official misconduct. Officer Crespo will have his first court